Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a set of press-on nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is just going in and just shaping up the free edge of the nail, and after that we're just giving it a slight buff. This is just to kind of perfect the shape, and then also to just roughen up the surface of the nail so the polish or acrylic just stick really well to the nail. I don't know if you ever done a set and if you skip this step, the gel polish will peel off literally the same day that you wear them, so definitely don't want to skip the buffing part. And then also to stick the press-on nails onto the stand, what I do is just use a sticky tab, which are the same ones that I would use to stick the press-on nail onto my nail. I just place that right on the stand and then place the nail on it, and it stays on really well. I don't have any problem with the nail popping off when I'm filing or when I'm buffing, so definitely recommended. I have used other things before, like the little blue sticky tab that a lot of people use. That actually did not work for me, so that's why I was looking for a different way to get them to stick on. So definitely recommend this way. Also, I do have all of these materials that I'm using on my website. I also have the nail kit for beginners, the press-on nail kit for beginners, which comes with everything that you need. It comes with your stands, your nail tips, files, buffers, rhinestones, wax pencil, stickers, like literally everything that you can think of that you need. Except for like polish or acrylic and stuff like that, but just like the basic things that you need to create press-on sets. So after we finish filing and buffing, of course, we go ahead and dust the nails off. And then this set is going to be a simple white and nude set with some gold. So I'm going to be going in with just a gold gel polish on the pinky and the middle finger, and then the rest are going to be nude. And then I am going to do 2 coats, so I go ahead and do 1 coat, cure for 30 seconds, and then I come back and do a second coat and cure for another 30 seconds. Also, when it comes to gel polish, I did just purchase a whole bunch of gel polishes from Amazon by Model Ones. They work really well for me. The bottles are pretty small, but I honestly don't do too many press-on nails. Like, I just started doing quite a few because I took on a client that has been ordering like 5 sets at a time. And since I do press-on nails at my house, like I don't have all of my nail polish right here, and so like what I've been doing lately is just bringing polishes from my shop and bringing them to the house. But that was just becoming too much because then I would forget colors, and so I got to change up, you know, what I had planned. And so I ordered a few sets. I think I ordered like maybe 5 sets, and they're super affordable. They work really well, and so I'll be sure to leave the link down below for you guys if you're looking for really affordable and good gel polishes. Alrighty, so after I've done the 2 coats, I'm gonna go in with my nail art brush, and this is the same brush that will come in the nail kit for beginners, the press-on nail kit for beginners. It comes with a set of 3 brushes, and I'm just going in and just doing a line down the middle of the nail, kind of curve as well, and then on this index finger just outlining the free edge. And then of course I'm gonna let this cure for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so after I've cured that for 30 seconds, I'm gonna go in with my Not Polish gel top coat, and I'm gonna apply that only on the white. Now I'm using a dotting tool and the same white gel polish, and I'm doing this over the nail with the top coat. So I've already cured the top coat, and now I'm going in with the white, and I'm just doing, I don't know what you guys call it, like the alligator look and whatever you call it. So I'm just going in with my dotting tool and just basically applying the polish, going down the nail. As you guys can see, I just go from side to side and basically just making almost like a rectangle, but it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Like I said, just going all the way down the nail, and then I'm also gonna go down the sides. And then whenever I do the ones on the side, I kind of try to do them like to where they would go almost in between the ones in the middle, if that makes sense. So see right there, I'm doing it in between those two, and just doing the same thing on both sides. And then after I finish doing this polish, I'm gonna go in with some acrylic. I would suggest using white acrylic, but I only had clear right here at the moment. And so you just literally sprinkle or like pour the acrylic over the top of the nail while the gel polish is still wet. And that way it just gives that white like a little textury look to it. And then after this, you just cure the nail for 60 seconds. So again, you do the polish, you pour the acrylic powder over it, and that's it. But you do want to make sure you go ahead and do a top coat underneath first. So same thing, doing my top coat on the white only, curing for 60 seconds, and then I'm coming back in and doing the little rectangles. So for this one, I'm just gonna do it all the way down the side, and then same thing, pouring the acrylic and then curing for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so after I cure, I just go ahead and dust it off, and y'all look how pretty this is. So the bottom is shiny because of course we did the top coat, and then the top gives you like that matte textured look. But anyways, now I'm going in with my gold foil, and like I said, y'all, all of these items that I'm using are available on my website, so make sure y'all go check it out or just share it. You know, just show your support any way that you can. Just trying to get, you know, my products out there. So just cutting up the foil with my fingernails, like literally, y'all, this foil is so paper thin that you barely even have to touch it for it to just come apart. So I'm just trying to get it into really small pieces, and then I did just a tiny bit of top coat right in the middle between the white and the nude to basically use it as, like, you could say, a glue for my foil. So just picking up the little foil pieces with a small brush and just placing it right on top of that top coat. And after that, we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. And then afterwards, I'm going to come back and do a top coat. But I'm not doing a top coat over the white part, only the nude, because of course I want that white to keep the matte and textured look. Alrighty, so that's what that nail looks like. So next I'm gonna go in with some charms for the pinky and then also this index finger. So for this one, I'm gonna do the little Louis Vuitton logo right in the middle of the nail, and I'm using my hard gel to apply these. Whenever you're using like 3D pieces, you do want to use something of like a gel consistency. So this hard gel definitely works really well. Like whenever it's time to take them off, like whenever my clients come back for like a feel, y'all be having a hard time trying to take them off. So it definitely works really well. So make sure y'all go check it out as well. But after I've cured that hard gel for 60 seconds, now I'm just going in and doing a top coat on all of the nails except for the white. And then I'm gonna cure this for another 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so after we finish curing, we're gonna go ahead and box them up. So if you're looking into doing press-on nails, like literally this is all it takes to make press-on nails to sell them. So I'm just going in, and I showed you guys the box that I'm using. They're from Amazon. This double-sided tape is also from Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave my link down below to my Amazon storefront list, where I have a page full of all of the items that you would need to make press-on nails, whether you want to purchase from my website or from Amazon. You know, either or is completely fine, whatever works for your budget better. But I'm just going in and just placing the nails on the tape, making sure that they're lined up very well. So I do the thumbs in the middle and then the rest of the nails on the sides. And then also, y'all, I wanted to show y'all how good those sticky tabs be holding onto the nails, because I've broken a whole bunch of my little stands from wanting to like hurry up and take the nail off. But anyways, here is the final look. They turned out super pretty, really clean looking. But anyways, after that, I go ahead and just put my sticker on the box. I know people get custom made boxes, but I'm not that fancy, so I just stick my sticker on the box and keep it pushing. So this is the final look. So even the box, you know, it looks nice to me. So this is the final look. Really classy, really bougie. It's given rich auntie vibes, or not, I wouldn't even say auntie, but anyways, they just look good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.
Always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.